Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and technology. Today, we're diving into the world of smartwatches, with a closer look at what might just be the best smartwatch compatible with both iOS and Android on the market. Introducing the Smartwatch, a feature-packed wearable from Nerunsa that's designed to keep you connected and on top of your fitness goals. Let's start with the basics. This smartwatch boasts a 1.85-inch HD full-touch color screen, offering a crisp and vibrant display for easy navigation and clear visibility even in bright sunlight. But what sets this smartwatch apart is its versatility. With over 200 free watch faces available for download, you can personalize your device to match your style and mood, whether you're hitting the gym or heading to the office. Now, let's talk about connectivity. Thanks to its Bluetooth call feature, you can answer or make calls directly from your wrist, keeping you connected without having to reach for your phone. And with message reminders and notifications, you'll never miss an important text or email, even when you're on the go. But it's not just about staying connected. This smartwatch also takes care of your health and fitness. With advanced sensors for real-time heart rate monitoring and automatic sleep tracking, you can keep tabs on your wellness around the clock. Plus, with over 110 sport modes to choose from, including running, yoga, and more, you can track your workouts with precision and stay motivated to reach your fitness goals. And don't worry about getting caught in the rain or breaking a sweat. This smartwatch is IP68 waterproof, so you can wear it during any outdoor activity with confidence. Last but not least, let's talk about battery life. With a built-in large-capacity battery, this smartwatch can last up to 7 days on a single charge, ensuring that it's ready to keep up with your busy lifestyle. And with a range of additional features, including weather forecasts, stopwatch, music control, and more, this smartwatch truly is a versatile companion for everyday life. So there you have it, folks, the smartwatch from Nerunsa. With its sleek design, advanced features, and compatibility with both iOS and Android, it's no wonder this smartwatch is turning heads. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and insights from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.